Well, here's my 1969 Carter AFB, 750 CFM, all blown apart now. Everything in there was from 69. The gaskets all fought me trying to take all the boosters out. Floats are out of it. Needle and seats looked okay, but I'll probably get all new. The metering rods are 16-241. I looked them up. They're stock metering rods. Pulled the jets out. I may have already commented on this in another video. The primary jet is a 120-413. The secondary was a 120-092. I looked them up, and so the primary is 113 thousandths diameter. The secondary was smaller at 92 thousandths diameter. Now this is intended to go on a 273 Dodge V8, and I've got to jet that primary way down. It's currently running a stock 2-barrel, and the 2-barrel jets are 120-294, which when I look them up are about 38 thousandths in diameter. So I want to take these primaries and put in anywhere between the mid 50s up to maybe low 70s to see how I do, and leave those 92s in the secondaries if that's going to work. If not, I'll go 70s in the secondaries and maybe in the 50s on the primary. But these are way too big right now, and it'll be an experiment for sure, tuning it to get it hopefully nice and drivable, and maybe get a little 4-barrel induction noise out of that poor beast. Other than that, I look forward to the comments, positive or negative. This should be a fun ride. Now I got to order a rebuild kit and pick me some jets. Take care.